This is a massive military plane disaster with a lot of mystery in it. The Iranian plane Ilyushin IL-76 was carrying members of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps on February the 19th, 2003, when it crashed into the mountains near one of the most populated cities in Iran. The official report claimed bad weather brought the aircraft down, but the report did not add up. The number of bodies found was far more than should have been on board, which led many to believe the incident was a collision with another aircraft. The terrorist organisation, the Boubois Brigades, claimed responsibility, but we may never know what happened.